Hello my dear students, I am your computer teacher. I hope all of you are safe and fine. Today in this video, we will discuss the lesson 3 question answers of class 8. So let us start. First question answers are number C, application based question answers. These are application based question answers. Supriya is given an assignment to create a new table in the existing document. Suggest her the option which she should select after opening Microsoft Access. So here is the situation given. Here is a girl named Supriya. She has to give an assignment to create a new table in the existing document. We have to suggest her the options in which she should select after opening Microsoft Access. The answer will be, after opening Microsoft Access, she should click on File, then Open. After opening Microsoft Access, she should click on the File option, then the Open option. Then in the Open dialog box, after clicking on the Open option, the Open dialog box will appear. She should select and open the document in which she wants to create a new table. After then in the Open dialog box, she should select and open the document in which she wants to create a new table. Then on the External Data tab in the Import and Link group, she should click on one of the available data sources. Then on the External Data tab, which is External Data tab, she should click on one of the available data sources which is in the Import and Link group. Then she should follow the instructions in the dialog boxes that appear at each step. Then she have to follow the instructions in the dialog boxes that will appear in every step. Then Access creates the new tab. Then Access will create the new table. Next question. Mansi wants to quit Microsoft Access after saving a database by using shortcut keys. Which key combination will you suggest her to use? So here, which key should Mansi use? Which key combination should Mansi use to quit Microsoft Access? So the answer will be, to quit Microsoft Access by using shortcut keys, she should use the Alt plus F4 key combination. To quit Microsoft Access after using the shortcut key, she should use the alternate and F4 key together. Then question number E, after the following. So E number, answer the following questions. Number 1 question, what is database? Give examples of a database. So what is a database? A database is an organized way of storing information. Database is an organized way in which you can store information. Example, telephone diary, a dictionary, etc. These are the examples of a database. Next, question number 2, explain any 4 features of Microsoft Access. 4 features of Microsoft Access are, number 1, data redundancy. Duplication of data is reduced. So the main feature of 4 main features of Microsoft Access are, first one is data redundancy. So no data will be repeated in Microsoft Access database. Number 2, Access provides the facility to break large information into small parts so that it is easy to access the information. So Access provides us facility to break large information into very small parts, so it becomes easy to access the information. Number 3, it increases the efficiency, speed and flexibility in searching and accessing information. Number 3, Access increases the efficiency and speed and flexibility in searching and accessing information. Number 4, Reports allows to present the data in a meaningful and summarized manner. So the reports allows us to present the data in a meaningful and wholesome manner. Number 3, what are the types of database? Explain each of them briefly. So there are two types of database which are explained below. There are mainly two types of database. These are given. The two main types of database are flat file database and relational database. So the flat file database are explained first. A flat file database refers to data files that contain records which have a small fixed number of files without any structured relationship. For example, Microsoft Excel. So the flat file database is referred to data files that contain records which have small and fixed number of fields and without any shortcut relationship. For example, Microsoft Excel. Next, relational database. A relational database stores data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. So, relational database stores many data in several tables, stores data in several small tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. For example, Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL, Oracle, etc. These are the examples of relational database. So question answers are over. I hope all of you have understand. Thank you.